Local officials in California's San Mateo County have passed a resolution declaring the loneliness of its citizens to be a public health emergency, joining the governments of Japan, the UK, the state of New York and others in looking to address an issue experts say can lead to an increased risk of life-threatening conditions. People don't live close to their loved ones anymore. Jennifer Steele, the CEO of the Meals on Wheels program that serves part of San Mateo County, told NBC. Sometimes people have outlived their loved ones in some cases. Your social circle shrinks after retirement. It's harder for people to make friends. 24%. That's the percentage of people aged 15 or older who reported feeling very or fairly lonely in a Meta-Gallup survey of people in more than 140 countries. Meta-Gallup's Global State of Social Connections report found people in Africa and Southwest Asia to be the most lonely. At least 40% of people in countries like Afghanistan, Namibia, Zimbabwe, Madagascar and Uganda reported feeling very or fairly lonely. The least lonely countries were found to be Russia, Germany, Ukraine, Sweden, Norway and Finland, among others, where less than 10% of respondents reported feeling very or fairly lonely. In the United States, 15% of people reported feeling very or fairly lonely, 36% said they were a little lonely and 59% said they don't feel lonely at all. Concerns about loneliness are not new in the medical community, and research shows it can have detrimental impacts to both mental and physical health. A study published by the National Library of Medicine found that those suffering from loneliness are more likely to experience depression, alcohol abuse, personality disorders and Alzheimer's disease, as well as rheumatoid arthritis, lupus and cardiovascular diseases. People who find themselves suddenly alone due to the death of a loved one or a dramatic life change like retirement can be at a greater risk for a variety of mental and physical conditions, the National Institute on Aging says, while those who purposefully engage in activities with others tend to live longer, happier lives. In a New York Times op-ed last year, Murthy compared the risk of premature death associated with loneliness to daily smoking, the leading cause of preventable death worldwide.